If your business is getting traffic but not enough queries, or you are struggling to found on Google Map and AI search, then you are in the right place. I am Md Shajib Hassan, SEO and AI Search Specialist with 5 years hands-on SEO experience. I help businesses improve their search visibility through the local SEO, Google Business Profile Optimization, audits, technical SEO, and AI search optimization. In this case, my approach is a little bit different. Is that I also have a strong background in the UI UX design, so I don't just focus on getting more traffic. I also focus at how users experience your website and how I can turn that visibility into real inquiries and the business growth. So my goal is simple. I identify what's holding your business back and the best opportunities for the business and create the complete SEO strategy. Focus on real business growth and not just ranking. So whether you need help with the local SEO, Google Map, or the technical SEO, or a complete SEO strategy, I would be happy to help.